First, press the steam icon. You'll see the steam light flashing. Wait about 45 seconds for preheating. Once the steam light stays solid, preheating is complete. Turn the knob counterclockwise first to release steam for a few seconds to stabilize it. Then turn the knob back to its original position. Submerge the steam tube into the milk at roughly the 3 o'clock clock position. Then turn the knob again to start frothing the milk. When the milk foam reaches around 60 degrees, close the knob to stop frothing. Next, turn the knob to release steam again. This rinses the inside of the steam tube and prevents clogs. Don't forget to wipe down the steam tube with a damp cloth. For a thorough cleaning, remove the sleeve and rinse the inner tube too. Press the steam icon once more to exit steam mode. Pour the frothed milk into your prepared espresso. That's it. You've got a perfect coffee.